Finder system is designed to help you increase site safety by locating buried electricity cables. It also helps you reduce avoidable costly repairs. The Utility Finder system comprises the UtiliGen signal generator, the UtiliTrace locator device. It comes with a couple of sticks of chalk for marking and all goes into a kit bag. The Utility Finder system can be of use in a number of different project applications. For example, replacing driveways with block paving, putting in new patios, paving slabs, fences, or groundworks around building extensions, patios, that kind of project. The first step of the process is to actually make a visual inspection of the site to see where the likely hazards may be. So on this particular site, it could be that we've got the utilities from the electricity and the gas coming down from the meter boxes around the side of the building. I can see that BT is running an overhead cable, so that's not happening to me. And also, if we move forward, we'll be able to see where the sewer lines run. Of course, the other utility is the sewer, which is running up from the property down through to where this manhole is and further down onto the street. The meter boxes for the gas and the electricity are clearly visible on the side of the house, so that's quite clear where the utilities are going into the ground. We can also see the BT coming out overhead, runs over the cable and back out into the pole in the street. The UtiliGen generator is plugged into an indoor 13 amp socket, like this device here. You push it in and you turn it on. When the unit's working, the green light comes on. What it's doing is it's actually conducting the signal up the electricity lines into the electrical wiring and then out into the road. If you've also got utilities where you have got common earth bonding, the blue light will also come on, so that where you've got utilities which are common earth bonded, the signal will also conduct down. Compartment here in the cover, we've got the pull trigger down here on the side. So when I pull the trigger, the unit will turn on, run its self-test and tell me whether the batteries are conditioned. So that's the self-test. The battery indicator is up in the top corner. The two controls on the unit, the information key gives me the information for the Utility Finder website, utilityfinder.com. The functional test key on the side here runs a full systems test. Pass is good, error is if there's a failure. Now the UtiliGen signal that we plugged in inside that garage is now coming out. It's onto the electricity supply here at the utility box. The signal is now going down into the ground and it's going back out onto the driveway. Let's go and see. Now, using the UtiliTrace unit, what we're going to do is we're going to sweep the area to look for the services from where the signals come out behind us. So we turn on the unit, we're going to pursue to use a sweep search. We keep the unit vertical, hanging straight down. So we're sweeping, looking for the service, not finding anything at the moment. Repeat, quarter turn around, still looking for the service. I'm obviously not in the right place. What I'm going to need to do is I need to move further across to one side. So we didn't find it in the previous area behind me, so we'll just keep on moving further in this direction until we find it. So this is where we've got the service, we've found it now. So if I come back across, repeating my zigzag pattern, as you can see, I'm starting to find it. Okay. So next step now is just to pinpoint the service. Now I've got the position of the service, I mark it. If I want to now trace the service, off I go. Now we've seen the utility system being used. We started by identifying the services, the risks, checked out where the services are that we could by inspection. We used the UtiliGen to put a signal onto the electricity cable and the UtiliTrace unit to trace it, locate it and pinpoint it. So we've reduced the risks. From my point of view, using the system, it's reduced the potential for cable strikes, it's increased my site safety, and made an overall better job for the whole project. That's a real good system. For more information, please visit utilityfinder.com.